Hola, it's a beautiful morning. Look at that. Waking up and going for my walk. I cannot believe that I'm here going for a walk with my best friend, and this is how we do it. I'm just grateful to God I'm able to take this trip, and I'm promising myself to do this once every year or twice or maybe 3 times. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Birds chirping, crocodiles doing their thing, olive gators all over the place, pools being cleaned. It is a beautiful day. There she comes, the Princess of Wales. Princess of Wales is here going for her morning walk.
I don't know. Buenos
This
días.
is how we live. Hola!
Let's go to the lobby so you
Look at
can
the
take a video for you.
birds. Look at the birds. Look at that. Look at that. I can.
Similar, but
Yeah. This is how we do it. This is. Oh, look
what
at
I
those
like
beautiful.
is the watch. It's a lot. It's a lot of vegetación.
Vegetación. I'm still taking Spanish classes. It's a vacation with all-inclusive food and lessons. Can you believe that? I'm living the dream, the Mexican dream.
Gonna look nice.
I'm not taking picture. I'm taking a video.
Ah, but I'm seeing you there. Can I still? Oh, no.
Now you don't have that thing.
Oh, it's still recording, right?
Yeah. This is it. No. Bienvenida of Mexico. Our home would say bienvenido. Oh no, bienvenido Canada. This is bienvenida Mexico. Yay!